She don't give a fuck that anyone fell out.
Back on the station, back on the station.
Let's get back on the seats.
Wow, this is an entertaining video. Waiting at Tesco's. Yeah, waiting for the ATM machine will be a part of the POV at Tesco's Express.
We need to keep an eye on the queue moving because we're gonna like get cut in high otherwise.
Going into Tesco's. Can we actually go to the toy area?
If you're
Oh, we got one of these at work.
Mop fair. This is not a mop fair POV anymore.
This is going in the Mop Fair POV.
Yeah. I could do with one of those toothbrush charger to regular plug. Is that a printer? You can get a printer.
Yeah, we support these printers, they're terrible.
Let me see if I still have you as a contact.
Ewan! No, Ewan, look!
Oh my fucking
Can we just play...
25.
Can we just play Kaplunk
25
instead?
pounds.
Can we just play Kaplunk
No.
instead?
£5 for one of these guys. £5.
That looks sick.
Can you even get Ludwig... Ludwig... What's this?
What is this? Twin
What's
milk?
this guy? What's this guy? What's this guy?
Sticky part.
I've had this guy since.
No, this actually goes crazy. Badonkadongs.
Oh, you're being a twat. Stop. Why would you do that? There's no
It's supposed
point.
to be up. I grabbed one and they all went down.
He knocked them all over.
No, I didn't. No, you're not drunk this time. Look.
Ewan, what's Infinity Warps? And why does this guy look like Iron Man?
It's an iron hammer, man. That's how we try to It doesn't very shady that we're down with expensive
These
stuff.
look too much like Marlboro.
Oh my god, a pack of Marleys.
Yeah, should we play some cards and go out to spin?
Well, actually, I'm not too bad.
No, we're going to the mall fair. What are you doing?
Should have got like 4 packs of ibuprofen, so they like sent some over.
You can't buy more than 2 at once.
Oh god, it's actually so painful. Where's the?
Wait, I didn't realise you picked those up. When did you get those?
I didn't ID.
Of course you do, you're buying drops. What? He needs his ID. And now he's showing his face on the screen.
Oh, do you want me to get it?
Oh, they did it.
How old do you have to be to get Paracetamol?
18.
60.
Oh wait, that was what? 60p?
Yeah, they're Tesco. They're Tesco. Oh.
Yeah, they probably
crazy.
got nothing in them but like flour, but it's alright.
They have like a coin.
What
Is this sweet?
Yes, you can tell from the Yeti on top of it. It's not sweet.
Where's sweet? Are you serious right now?
Oh, mate, yeah, I'm not going to go anywhere, but it's horrible. Yeah, we're two-time boys. Way. My fucking leg is not even in the thing. Bro, look how this is. Now it's recording again.
Let's go.
I gotta record like this now. My leg is gonna fall out on its own regard. I can't stop.
Take a video in church. All these funky pictures. Oh, these are for sale. I didn't even realise. Huh?
I might actually take a seat, mate.
God's world, our world. Majority of this video will just be like
Stuff like that.
not the Mop Fair.
This is part of the Mop Fair. It's very vibrant.
Wait, this is the Mop Fair experience, going to a church.
It's always a church where I see people I recognise.
Someone's just going to get something.
The Slavic Gospel Association. Of course, I'm only going to look at the pictures.
Oh, they're good. So they're yeah. Because you know how much we look at those guys right there? That's how they look at us. Old and withered, bro. It's the life cycle. It's the front life. Old and withered.
Bibles. Bibles.
Shrug. Check this.
I'll try for it. You just recording the books. Oh, it's
The Ukraine Slavic Gospel. No, I am recording the books. You're right. The Queen's Platinum Jubilee. God bless.
I'm going to say that.
Someone's on a poor job. Let's have a look.
That is a really poor job. This pencil. Yeah, I like that. I like where they've done that.
Oh, we can help ourselves to the literature.
Take it with you.
Yeah, please feel free to take any literature that you are interested in.
Yeah, so you should just take the book where you can.
I might take Tried Right. Smile in the world.
Wow.
Smiles back.
This is like proper
This is actually true.
Microsoft publisher work.
The positivity preach is actually real, just no one believes it. If you're happy, everything else is happy. Just that life's a miracle.
Yeah, but like, you can be sad.
No.
Wait, that's why people say like make yourself happy before you make others.
Be happy before you.
Yeah. There's not too much to really show in the church, to be honest. Apart from the organ. And the ceiling.
It's not a 39-year-old.
They talk about christening the bog, but I never thought I'd actually be christening a bog in a church. I mean, we could. Bye.
Feels like I'm using it by going there, like, going to leave it.
Cameron Gosling?
Where?
No, that's actually like a 13-year-old.
What the little you over there?
No, that's Tommy, isn't it?
Holy fuck!
Isn't it?
The whole family reunion.
Yeah, bro, did you actually get any footage?
Yeah, it's got me and us three on it. Let me show you.
Oh, okay, that's good. Because there's only so much walking around and filming what's in front of me. That'll be entertaining.
Nice. We're gonna make the sickest video ever.
Yeah, this might be the best mop fair POV.
The wide lens
What, the fish eye?
Wait, I swear it's not dino. No, I get it.
And then not finish it. I'm not going on that one. Time is quitting time. What is that?
Get out the hover.
Are you gonna try them? Are you any good with balls?
I'm masterful.
Please, they were mine.
Yeah, come on, join us now for the next one of the London Final Championship of the next one.
There's one.
Yeah, come on, it's a fun ride on the London. Join us now with your
There's the other one.
What's this got knocked over?
Yeah, you got it.
Okay.
Yeah, well, I can't do it now, can I?
You're in a tricky situation. Oh wow.
Oh, but you actually are quite good with balls.
What's that? What does that mean?
That has to go off. That's what I tried to do.
Oh, I see what you've done.
All about the small things in the contract, see?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
I'm going to go again.
Yeah, go for it.
But think about it this way. All gambling
It's the rest
addicts,
of my money.
all gambling addicts quit minutes before they win.
Again?
I don't even want anything this year. I just want to win the game.
He doesn't want to throw balls.
It's messed up. This is much better.
I can't bounce off that one on the front.
I've got one more chance. I've got another one. Take that.
Think about all that.
This is the one.
Oh, you
Classic bowling tip.
Oh, really? It's cheating. It's still not going to get it.
Oh no! You want to win so bad.
Yeah, come on, join us now for the London. We have everything else. You've got the white, it's time, we have everything else if you're riding. Yes, guys, some fun ride on the London.
Nice prize.
I've come out of this, I've come out today £1 heavier.
That's true. That is very true.
If I fumble now, it's
No.
you have no intention of doing it.
I fumbled the family.
So you're actually like good at throwing.
Fang out.
You're really getting
It's already over.
It's not though, is it?
Well, I don't know. Maybe not.
Okay, I like this.
Get this.
No, you get that one, you get that one. What was that?
Yeah, I mean, they're heavy.
Yeah,
It is
they
quite-
sound
They're actually quite heavy.
okay. Right.
Right, you
I
can either
think
you
it's
can call it
I think it's
pretty.
fine. Yeah, this one is quite tough because it's just quite spread out, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll find we'll rebuild. Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay.
So get the angry. Oh wait, that's not an angry bird. That's a Pokeball. You and look, you can win the little thing from Zootopia dressed up as an elephant.
Is that what they are?
One of them, yeah.
Yeah, can we get the
Good choice.
Thanks.
Wow.